Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade onboard RAM. First, you need to identify your computer's current RAM specifications and its maximum supported capacity. This ensures you buy the correct type and amount of new memory. Next, purchase compatible RAM modules. Finally, gather your tools, including a small Phillips head screwdriver and an anti-static wrist strap, to prepare for the upgrade process. Now, let's access the RAM. Begin by completely powering down your computer and disconnecting all power and peripheral cables. Next, carefully open the computer case by removing the side panel screws, usually located at the back. Once the case is open, locate the existing RAM modules on the motherboard. They are typically long, thin sticks inserted into slots. To install your new RAM, first gently unclip the retaining tabs on both ends of the old module. Carefully remove the old RAM by pulling it straight out of its slot. Now, take your new RAM module, align the notch on the module with the corresponding notch in the slot, and press down firmly on both ends until the retaining clips snap into place, securing the module. After installing the new RAM, close your computer case and reconnect all peripheral devices and power cables. Power on your computer and verify that the new RAM is recognized in your system settings, usually found in the BIOS or operating system information. This confirms a successful upgrade. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your faster computer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.